The real truth about high-ticket coaching and why you should consider it. High-ticket coaching is a type of coaching that is more expensive than other types. It usually costs $1,000 or more for a single session, and the average client spends $10,000 to $20,000 on sessions over the course of their relationship with their coach. It can be difficult to find high-quality coaches who are willing to work with clients who cannot afford the typical price range. Many people are not aware of this, but high-ticket coaching programs are a great way to accelerate your success, get the right mindset, and finally start living the life of your dreams. A high-ticket coaching program is an investment in yourself. You are investing in your future, you are investing in your success, and you are investing in your happiness. This is why you should consider going on a high-ticket coaching program, because it will allow you to live a life that is full of joy and happiness. It is easy to get caught up in a high-ticket coaching program. But before you do, you should consider the following. What are your goals? What are your financial goals? What are your time commitments? How much money can you afford to spend on coaching each month? How much money can you afford to spend on coaching over the course of a year? What is your timeline for achieving your goals? The high-ticket coaching programs are not for everyone. You should consider going on one if you have the following qualities. 1. You have a high level of self-awareness and are able to recognize your own strengths and weaknesses. 2. You can make a decision when you don't know what to do about something. 3. You feel like you want to grow in your business but don't know how to take that next step. 4. You want someone else to give you a framework and set the direction for your business so that you can focus on executing it. Hey, if you like this video so far, subscribe and smash the like button to help the YouTube algorithm and to see more like this. Sometimes the best way to know if a high-ticket coaching program is worth the investment is to ask yourself these questions. Do you have an idea of what you want to achieve? What are your goals? What do you want out of this program? Who else has benefited from the program? What do they say about your problems and how can they help you solve them? How much time can you dedicate on a daily basis to working on your issues? High-ticket coaching programs are designed to offer the best of the best in terms of coaching. They are often a one-time investment that can help take you to the next level. In order to determine if a high-ticket coaching program is worth the investment, you need to ask yourself some questions. Is my business currently stuck or stagnant? Am I looking for a way to grow my revenue? Do I want more time and energy for myself or my family? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then investing in a high-ticket coaching program may be worth it for you and your business. What's the difference between consulting and coaching? Consulting is the process of giving advice to a company or individual. It can be done in person, on the phone, or through email. The consultant usually has experience in a specific industry and is a subject matter expert. Coaching is more about personal development. It's about helping people change their lives for the better. The coach will listen to you and help you figure out what changes you need to make so that you can get where you want to go. Typically, consulting is less expensive than coaching because it does not require as much time commitment from the client and requires less personalized attention from the coach. However, consulting might not be as effective as coaching if clients are looking for more personal attention and guidance with their goals. With the help of a coach, you can learn to overcome your fears and stop procrastinating. You can also learn how to set goals, overcome obstacles, and be more productive. In this way, you will be able to achieve more in less time and with less effort.